Good morning. Oh wow, the wind is really cold. Although there's no snow, it is -degree, so it is pretty cold, and especially with the wind. Whew. Usually you can spot some animals here, especially some birds, but I'm not sure if I will find anything today. I'm here more for nature photography and overall spending some time in nature. I know there used to be quite a lot of beavers in this area. As you can see, there's a lot of berries in this area, but I cannot hear any birds right now, so it's a bit weird. They probably have their time when they come here to feast on the berries, but now it is very, very quiet in here. Although, as I'm speaking, I can hear one bird chirping somewhere in that direction. This is a work of beaver. I'm positive that there are beavers living here. Oh yeah, 100%. Look at the trees, and also they live in here for sure. Oh damn, it would be really interesting to spot a beaver and take a photo of him. There's a tree full of apples. I imagine animals enjoying these apples in winter time quite a lot. There's a blackbird very far away, not very far away, but hiding between the branches. Oh, it's very wet. How do I go around this place? There is a woodpecker in here. Wow. Ah, there's a tit. I can hear tits, but the birds that I see are not tits, so it's strange that I can only hear one voice, but I cannot see the bird itself. Damn, my arms and shoulders are so tired after the gym, so it's pretty hard to hold the camera and the lens with the tripod in my hands steadily, but it is what it is. There was a Bluetooth here, but it flew away, and I can see something similar to water birds flying over there, but they're really high up. I wonder if they will land. Oh, he's in the top of the spruce. I'll try to get even closer to him. This looks like a telescope. I like this photo. It's pretty moody.